Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team Deberu, and today we're gonna have a look to the basics of push notification traffic, especially where is the money when running push traffic. So let's have a look. So in today's video, I just want to go through the basics if you are starting with a push traffic notification. So where to start, what kind of offers to look, which geos to pick, which traffic sources, and then in the end, we have an example. So basically just to give you an overview where to start and what to focus on. So let's go to the first slide, which is this one here. So first is where you should focus first. So focus on offers that appeal to both genders, so male and females. And the second is focus on offers that appeal to all ages. So you want to go as broader as possible when you're picking your offers. And the second thing that I want to point out on this slide is the recommended geos to start. So because you don't need to translate any copy, so that's mean for your titles within your campaign, and maybe if you are using lenders to pre-warm your audience before sending them to the offer landing page, so you don't need to translate any of copy. So that's why the recommended geos are Singapore, New Zealand, and United Kingdom. So let's have a look to the second slide where we're gonna have a look to recommended verticals for push traffic. So first are obviously sweepstakes that we like to do, and like I mentioned before, you want to focus on offers that appeal to both genders, so male and female, and that you can target all ages. So that's why we suggest that you go with grocery stores or big well-known retail brands, travel offers, and phone offers as well. So you can start with your testing phase with this kind of offers, which you can find pretty much on every single affiliate network that has a sweepstake. So the second one would be dating, and then let's go one by one. So the third one would be gambling, then it's gaming, make money online, and the last would be trading. So what you want to do here is to join, or maybe if you already have your account with some affiliate networks, just go by geos, so recommend the geos, and find some offers, so sweepstakes if you would like to start with them, and pick some grocery stores, big retail brands, or travel offers, and make a list with offers that you would like to go and test at first. So this would be actually the step number one. So brainstorming the geos and the offers we recommend. And then for the next step, it's gonna be to pick your traffic source. So for the traffic source, we recommend to start with Zero Park, Propeller Ads, and Mega Push. So you can go either one of these ones. So Team Deberu likes to actually test on Propeller Ads and then go and move to Zero Park to scale that campaign, because Zero Park has more volume than Propeller Ads. So this would be the second step, so to choose your traffic source. And then let's move to the third slide, which is this one here, which is not necessary, but if you'd like to actually have a look and see what works in the push world and see some ads performing to get some ideas for your campaigns. So to do that, you can use two tools that we recommend. So first one is Spy Push, and the second one is Adplexity. If you're gonna do this step, so here you're gonna find out what kind of icons they use, what kind of images they use for particular vertical and particular offer, that you can brainstorm, get ideas, and then structure your campaign when you're gonna start testing. So this would be actually the step number 3, but it's not necessary. But it is good to go through this process to actually see how the system works. And now let's jump to the last slide where I'm gonna show you an example just to see how the structure of the campaign works. So this is actually a campaign that Devereaux push team tested, and it is on Propeller Ads traffic source. So on the left, you can see two examples of the creatives. So the title copy, the description copy, and then the icon, which is the small image, and the image, which is the bigger one. So they used two different titles. So one it's a pack and save birthday, and then for the description, call to action copy, it is saying want $1,000 gift card. And for the second example, for the title is pack and save $1,000 gift card, and for the description is just answer these 4 questions. And by this copy, we can assume that they have used a pre-lender to pre-warm the audience before sending them to the offer landing page. On this part, we recommend to have and test within your campaign 2 to 3 different titles, 2 to 3 different descriptions, 2 to 3 different icons, and 2 to 3 different images, so that you have enough variables that you can test at the same time, right? And now if we jump to the right side, we have advertising a budget. So the budget, you can go between $20 to $30 per day. And we always recommend to go by 3-day rule for testing phase. So that means if you go with a daily budget of $30, you're gonna set up your total campaign budget with $90. But this doesn't mean that it's gonna spend $30 per day, because it depends what kind of CPC bid you set up for the campaign. In Propeller Ads, when you're gonna set up your budget and your platform, you're gonna get a recommended CPC bid to actually choose from, which is always good to pick her up. So for the platform, they tested on mobile. The campaign schedule, so you're gonna actually schedule the time zone for the country you are targeting. So for this particular offer the country was New Zealand, so that's how they selected the time zone. And for the time, we recommend to go to actually run the campaign between 6 a.m. and 10 to 11 p.m. But you're gonna want to test that and see which hours works for you. But you can go from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. And here on the bottom, you can see the total traffic available. And on the right side, it's gonna give you, like I mentioned before, when you put your budget and you actually choose the platform, so the mobile or the desktop, it's gonna give you the recommended CPC bid, which for this particular campaign was recommended 0.118. So here is the structure of campaign, so you can see how this looks. And if you would like to see more of this campaign, you can watch our Watch Me Build campaigns from scratch to the end, where we show you how to structure your push notification campaigns. Alright guys, so this would be everything for today's video. So we just want to show you what are the basics when you start your push traffic notification journey. So now you know where you need to focus, what kind of authors, which traffic sources we recommend, the spy tools that you can use if you would like to, and the structure of one campaign.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.